Good morning, students. This is your English grammar book, and today we will do chapter number 2, that is alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Letters of the English alphabet are arranged in a fixed order, are called alphabetical order or ABC order. In alphabet, all the letters are in particular order, that is known as alphabetical order. इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट में ए टू जेड सभी अपनी जगह पे होते हैं, अपने क्रम में लगे होते हैं, इसलिए उसे हम एबीसी ऑर्डर या अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर कहते हैं. जॉइन द डॉट्स इन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर टू कंप्लीट द पिक्चर. मेक द पिक्चर लुक प्रिटी बाय कलरिंग इट. यू हैव टू जॉइन द डॉट्स इन alphabetical order and you have to color the picture. Did you know a dictionary is a book that has a list of words and their meaning? The words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. डिक्शनरी एक बुक होता है जिसमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं और वो वर्ड्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज्ड होते हैं और उसमें हमें उनके मीनिंग भी मिलते हैं. Now let's have a look here. Exercises. Write the letter in these words in alphabetical order. You have to arrange the letters in alphabetical order. The word is given pencil and we have to arrange the letter from this word in alphabetical order. First we have to see which letter is coming first. A is not there, B is also not there, C is there, so we will write here C. D is not there, E is there, we will write here G, E. F is not there, G is not there, H is not there, I is there. Then we have to write here I. J, K is not there, L is there, we will write here L. M is not there, N is there, we have to write here N. Then O is not there, P is there, then we will write here P. So we have to see which letter is coming first. We have to start from A and we will see which letter is coming first from English alphabet and we have to arrange the letters. Number 2, C-A-G-E, cage. Here also we will start from A. A is there, yes, A is there, we will write here A. B is not there, C is there, we will write here C. D is not there, E is there, we will write E. F is not there, G is there, then we will write G. This way you have to complete the page. Here I have written some words. In these words you have to see whether they are arranged in alphabetical order or not. These words are not arranged in alphabetical order. We have to arrange this word in alphabetical order. So we have to see which letter is starting from A. Apple starts from A. So we will first write apple. Then balloon starts from B. We write here balloon. After then we will write C letter word, that is cat. Then we will write D letter word, that is deer. This way we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. I hope you have understood this. Here also you can see I have written a word pencil. We have to see which letter come first. We have to start from A. A is not there, so we will not write A. B is also not there, we will not write B. C is there, so we will write C. D is not there, we will not write D. E is there, we will write here E. F is not there, we will not write F. G is not there, H is not there, I is there, we will write I. K is not there, so we will not write K. L is there, we will write L. M is not there, N is there, so we will write here N. O is not there, P is there, then we will write here P. इस तरह से आपको देखना है कि A B C D में A से लेकर Z तक में कौन सा लेटर सबसे पहले आ रहा है और उस लेटर को हमें पहले लिखना है. इसी तरह से यहाँ देखिए C-A-G-E, केज. तो इसमें A से स्टार्ट हुआ है तो पहले हम A लिखेंगे. B यहाँ पे नहीं है तो B नहीं लिखेंगे. C है, C लिखेंगे. D नहीं है तो D नहीं लिखेंगे. E है तो E मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे. एफ़ नहीं है तो एफ़ भी छोड़ देंगे, जी लिखा है तो जी लिखेंगे। इस तरह से आपको पहले देखना है कि इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट से कौन सा लेटर पहले आ रहा है और उसको हमें अरेंज करके सही क्रम में लिखना है। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर। नाउ कंप्लीट पेज नंबर 5 and 6 in your home assignment. Have a good day. Bye bye.